Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have watched the previous lessons and you have revised everything that you have learned. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn to say hand in Urdu. We have already learned this word, but let's revise it. In English we say hand and in Urdu, haath, haath. Then in English we say finger and in Urdu it is ungli, ungli, ungli. In English we say thumb, thumb, and in Urdu it is angutha, angutha, angutha. Now let's learn to say nail in Urdu. The fingernail. It is nakhun, nakhun, nakhun. Nail, nakhun. Let's repeat all of these words one more time. In English we say hand and in Urdu haath. In English we say finger and in Urdu ungli. Then in English we say thumb and in Urdu angutha. Then in English we say nail, the fingernail we are talking about here. And in Urdu it is nakhun. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's learn some more words. Let's learn to say come in Urdu. We say come and in Urdu it is आओ, आओ, आओ. Come, आओ. Then in English we say go, go. And in Urdu it is jao, jao, jao. So in English it is come and in Urdu आओ. Then in English it is go and in Urdu jao. Repeat and revise. Okay, now let's learn to say come here in Urdu. In English we say come here and in Urdu idhar आओ, idhar आओ. Then in English we say go there, go there. And in Urdu udhar jao, udhar jao. Go there, udhar jao. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say come here and in Urdu idhar आओ, idhar आओ. Then in English we say go there and in Urdu udhar jao, udhar jao. Remember we just learned come and go, right? So repeat and revise for practice. Now let's count from 1 to 37. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, चौबीस 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 Repeat and count many times for better practice. So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I'll see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.